Hello everyone, in this video we will learn advanced use of XLOOKUP. Make sure you installed the MS Office 365 or you can use in the Google Sheets, which is absolutely free of cost. You can use the online version of Excel. Just go to your OneDrive, login and just open any Excel file in which you can use the XLOOKUP function absolutely free of cost. There is no need to pay anything and this will be saved in your OneDrive. It is quite similar with the Google Sheets. Before going ahead, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like the video and do comment. Let's begin. First of all, we will learn how to use XLOOKUP as a dynamic array feature. For example, I have a product table with the sales data. This is the monthly sales data. Now my requirement is that I want to make a drop down list of all the products. So whenever I select, all data January to May should come automatically one by one over here. And it must be dynamic. It means whenever I change any data over here, it should come automatically. So for this, first of all, we will create the drop down list. So select the cell, come to the data tab and select the data validation option. Select list from here, click over here to insert the value and select the range of your all products and click on apply. Now we got the list. Now we are gonna use XLOOKUP. Type, make sure you selected the first cell of the range. Now equal sign XLOOKUP, press tab. Now first we want to give the lookup value as a reference, then comma, and then from here we have to select this one and comma, and this time instead of giving the range of any particular column, we will give the range of all the sales data. Now close the bracket and press enter. You got product B's all related data. Let's verify. It's 55661587. It's absolutely correct. And now let me change the product from here, product E. It is changing automatically. If you increase the data, let's say I want to increase one more in the June month. So right now, as you know that we have given up to the G13. If I change it to the H13, you can see June data is also get retrieved. Now we are moving to our next example. Second example. Here we will learn how to use XLOOKUP in two-way lookup. So my scenario is I have employee table in which employee ID, name and their department ID is mentioned. I have a separate table for department related data in which I have department date, their name and the budget allocated to these departments. Now my task is to retrieve the budget amount without using the department ID in this table. As you can see, I have employee ID, their name, and now I want to retrieve the budget from here. There are two ways to use it. First of all, we can retrieve the department ID from this table and then we create another XLOOKUP using the department ID and then we can retrieve the budget. But my scenario is you cannot use the department ID. You have to retrieve the data in one function, one formula. So before going ahead, I will convert these tables to the official table. So select this range, come to the insert, click on table, click OK, and now come to the design and change the name of this table to department. And again I'm gonna select employee database table, come to the insert, click on table, OK, and click on design table and rename this to employee table. Why I did that? Because whenever I increase the data in these tables, it will come dynamically. It will update here dynamically. If you will not do the previous step I did, every time you have to increase the range here in your formula. So now I'm gonna use XLOOKUP. Again I'm gonna use XLOOKUP and this time I'm gonna select employee, comma, then I will select this range, then comma, I will select this range. then close the bracket, then comma, select department, comma, select the budget. Close the bracket, press enter. Now simply copy paste or drag the formula from here and it will retrieve the data directly using the XLOOKUP function. So I'm going to copy and highlight. I'm going to highlight this one. So here what we did, first of all, we retrieve the department ID using the employee ID from here. Then it comes automatically. Then using the next lookup, we use department ID and we bring the budget. Now whenever you add any data from here, let's say I want to add some more data, let's say D005, and you can see when I press the tab, it inserted a new row in this table, and let's say it is management, and the budget is 21,000. And if I change here, let's say 6. So if I change the department to 6, press enter, sorry, it must be 5. And you can see this data has been updated dynamically. So by that way you can use XLOOKUP, which is an advanced use of the XLOOKUP. I hope you liked the video. If you really like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel and do comment. Thank you for watching. Please come back again.